In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace these old map lights with some new LED bulbs. I'll put a link in the description below on how to get some on Amazon. It's going to be a little cheaper than these Sylvanias. Now the big benefit on these LED bulbs, if for some reason you happen to leave these lights on overnight out in your driveway or in your garage, with these bulbs here, you're going to have a dead battery in the morning. If you got LEDs in there, your car's going to start right up. They use a heck of a lot less power. Here's what the old original lights look like. That's what the map lights look like with the two new LED bulbs. Here's a close-up of the bulbs you're going to be looking for if you're shopping for these. They're 168, 194 bulbs. Now to remove these lenses, there's a little notch towards the front of the vehicle. There's no notch on this back side. So we're going to use a small flathead screwdriver, maybe about 1/4 of an inch wide. And it's going to insert into that slot. And you just work the screwdriver in there and pry the lens out of the housing. Now to remove the old bulb, make sure it has not been lit for about 5 minutes or it's going to be extremely hot. And I always use latex gloves whenever I'm installing headlights, taillights, any type of bulb. That way the oil from my fingers doesn't get on the bulb and create a hot spot. And there's the original bulb. And we're going to insert the new bulb, and you're just pushing in straight up. Now before you put the lens cover on, test it and make sure that the bulb is working. And now to reinstall the lens cover, you're going to insert the back side first. But if you look on here, you have these two little, I'll call them tangs. You're going to just kind of push in on those a little bit as you push it up in the front. So we'll get the back kind of lined up. And now before I start pushing up, I'm just going to push in with my 2 fingers a little bit on those 2 tabs. Push straight up and it will lock itself in place. And now we'll go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Remove that lens. Now pull straight down on the old bulb. And simply reinsert the new bulb, pushing straight up. Before you put that lens cover on, you can just open your door or turn on the light to make sure that the bulb is working. Go ahead and reinstall this lens, back side first. We're going to push up and in on these 2 front tabs at the same time. Congratulations on changing your old map lights. These LED bulbs should last you a long time. They're going to be brighter, easier on your car battery. And if you ever do leave them on accidentally overnight, your car's still going to start up and you're going to get to work on time. Remember to use latex gloves when handling all bulbs. Make sure those original bulbs are cooled off before you pull them out. And thanks for watching.